In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Once Human. So this is actually very simple. What you have to do is press your escape key on your keyboard and then go up here to your profile at the top right. You want to press it and click Edit Name. Now you can enter in your new name, as you can see, and then press Confirm. However, the problem over here is that you need one renaming card, and the only way to get this renaming card is by buying it in the shop. And you can get to the shop by clicking Escape yet again and going into Shop Events, and in here clicking Shop, and then you want to go to Other, so the last tab over here. And then in here you will see the second option is your renaming card, which costs 300 credits. Now, of course, if you want to get credits, you want to click up here to this plus icon, and as you can see, you can only get these credits via buying them with real money. So it will cost around 5 euros, a little less actually, to get the renaming card and rename your character inside the game. So, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.